Hello, hello, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Sister Faye, and today I will be making pinto beans with a smoked turkey leg. Again, that's pinto beans with a smoked turkey leg. Okay, let's get started here. I have my beans here. It's been soaking for like, I guess 5-6 hours. I have my turkey leg, smoked turkey leg. It's been cooking now for like 2 hours. I like to cook my meat, any type of meat that can stand to be on for 2 hours. So I like the meat falling off the bone whenever I eat something smoked. It can be smoked turkey, be smoked anything. Look at this. These beans are stirred. I can see now that it's not too many rising up. So it's not like the peas. When I did the peas, the black eyed peas, everything was rising to the top. I soak my beans because you don't have to cook them as long on the stove if you soak them. So this should take like an hour, now may even less. But yeah, it's not too much rising up to the top. So what I'm going to do is drain this water. I have my drainer right here. I'm going to sit it in the sink. I'm just going to run water through it. That's what I'm going to do. Like I said, this smoked turkey leg been cooking for almost 2 hours. So what I'm going to do now is hand place these beans in the pot with the turkey leg. There's some little small pinto bean. I don't too particular care for those. Also, there's some split ones down at the bottom. So I guess they don't rise like the black eyed peas do. The small ones, I'm not going to put in the pot to cook. So what I'm going to do now is add in some of the seasoning. In this small container here, I have a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika. So I'm gonna put this in right now. I have more seasoning, but it's not going in right now. So what I'm going to do now is put this lid over the pot. Turn the stove down to medium. And let it simmer until I come back and check on it within the hour. Because I have to add the onions and another flavor. So I'll be back. Okay, these beans been cooking now for like 40 minutes. See how this meat is falling off the bone? That's how I like it. That's how I like it. What I'm going to do now, I added the same amount of seasoning as I did earlier, and that's a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, and a teaspoon of paprika. I'm gonna sprinkle this around. I have right here a half a cup of onions cut up fine, chopped up fine. I'm gonna put that in. And then this package here is from Goya. It's the ham flavored concentrate seasoning. So I have 2 packs of this. I'm gonna sprinkle this in. That's one. And sprinkle the other pack in. It's 2. I'll stir these pinto beans around. I don't need to add no more water because there's enough water. Because the texture of the beans is really soft. So it should be cooking no more than 15 minutes. So I continue to let it cook. Okay, these beans should be about ready now. Less than an hour. Took like 50 minutes. And what I'm going to do now, this is brown organic sugar. I'm just going to sprinkle some around. Give it a stir. And you can see that the meat is actually falling off the bone. Watch out for the long, because this is a turkey leg. So they have a long bone, a few. Make sure you get that out the way. Nobody getting choked. Very long bones in here. Try to take all of them out. The meat falling off the bones because I had these turkey legs before I added the pinto beans in it. It was cooking for like 2 hours. And then it cooked along with the beans. So that's another almost 3 hours. Yeah. because it took my beans like 50 minutes to get done. When you soak these beans overnight like that, they get done really, really fast. The skin, like this, I just take it on out. Nobody gonna eat. Well, somebody probably do, but I know I don't. I don't eat the skin. Got no business in here right now. And another bone. Can't tell it's a bone, but it's a bone. Oh, I had made some rice earlier. So, what I'm going to do now, I'll fix some little rice. Put some of these pinto beans over it. You can add just a little more water to this. That's what I'm going to do. Make sure I have plenty of soup. Put a piece of meat in here. Just lay it across there like that. And there you have it. Pinto beans with a smoked turkey leg. And I added in the rice. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. I want to thank y'all for tuning into my channel today. Again, my name is Sister Faye. And again, I would love for y'all to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Do a sister a favor. Do a sister a favor. Thank y'all again. I'm out.